You already carry a gun and several other EDC items every day. Do you really need an everyday carry flashlight? Let's talk about it. What is up, guys? Will Workman here with Workman Protection, here to give you the skills, the tools, and the mindset to protect yourself and your family. Flashlights are one of the most underrated EDC tools, but are they really necessary? In this video, I'm going to share my honest advice as someone who's been concealed carrying for 10 years. Yes, I'm getting old. Before we get right into it, I want to know, do you already carry a flashlight? Let me know in the comments down below. So let's start with why you might need a flashlight. The most obvious thing for everyday carry is just that a small flashlight can come in really handy. You drop your keys, the power goes out, or you just like to see better when it's dark outside. A flashlight's great for that. But the main reason is that a flashlight can be really useful as a low-level self-defense weapon. Let's say you're at a gas pump late at night and someone who is clearly drunk comes up and asks you for money.
Sup, dude?
When you politely say no, he starts cussing you out and getting closer and closer to you. You hit him with a nice bright beam of light in the face, and he decides he'd rather hassle someone else. No gun drawn, no pepper spray deployed, no harm, no foul. Now, I'm not naively saying that it always works this well, but it can. Let's say he's yelling at you and you're not sure if he's gonna pull out a gun or a knife and mug you, or if he's just running his mouth. When you hit him in the face with a bright light, his hands will naturally go up and you can see his hands, but he can't really see you getting a grip on your gun. This gives you a huge advantage. Now, when would you not need a flashlight? Well, a flashlight is only a useful defensive tool when it's dark. Now, this is when the majority of crime takes place, but that's not always the case. If you're running to Dollar General at 2 p.m., you probably don't really need to carry a flashlight because it's not really going to be useful as a defensive tool. So is it worth it to add a flashlight to your everyday carry? Well, even a pretty darn good flashlight is not too expensive. This AceBeam EC20, for instance, is insanely bright, and it's only about 40 bucks. It's probably one of the lightest things that you'll carry, and it can be carried literally anywhere. Like, even if you can't carry a gun or pepper spray, you can carry a flashlight.
It's true.
If I could possibly use a flashlight to protect myself and not have to use pepper spray or go hands-on with someone, or just have a slight advantage at the beginning of an attack, I'll take that easy win any day. I think having a small, bright flashlight definitely gives you an advantage and gives you another option for your self-defense, so I think it's worth carrying every day. If you gained value from this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe down below, and until next time, be alert, stand firm in your faith, be strong, be courageous, and let all that you do be done in love. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.